Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change gender in Knives Out. To change your gender in Knives Out is super easy. First of all, open up the Knives Out application on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once it does, tap on your profile avatar at the top left and from the menu that pops up, tap on the pencil icon at the top right. From the menu, click on Personal Information. Now from the Personal Information option, you can go ahead and make edits for your personal information. Tap on the Gender option and select your gender from the menu and tap Confirm. Remember that once you change your gender, you'll need to wait again for 24 hours to change it again. So make sure you've made a correct choice and click confirm. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your gender on Knives Out. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Knives Out tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thanks for watching.